What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you guys the new update that we just released for EliteAlgo version 19, guys. We're gonna show you all the new features that we've added. So if you guys are ready, please hit that like button and smash the subscribe button, and let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, let's get into the updates that we've made for EliteAlgo version 19. In order to do that, just like every single other time, guys, what we wanna do is we wanna make sure that we remove the old indicator and add the new one. If you guys do not know how to do that, you simply just want to right click on a chart, click remove indicators, and then you just want to refresh your page and go back and add the new ones the same way you did before on every single other update that we've made for EliteAlgo. If you guys have never used this indicator before and never heard about it, check us out. All you gotta do is head over to myelitesignals.com, and that's where you guys can gain access to this indicator that gives you buy and sell signals, as you can see, and much more. All right, guys, moving on to the first feature I want to show you guys about EliteAlgo is the new strategy mode we included into EliteAlgo. So if you go over here, hover where it says EliteAlgo 19, and just click this settings icon, then go down to where it says strategy, and over here you can click this drop box menu, and you're gonna have three different strategies: normal mode, new mode, and trend scalper, guys. So the new one we added is the new mode right here, as you can see. And pay attention, guys, to this area right here where I have circled a bunch of signals that were kind of happening when it was consolidating and giving you a bunch of false signals. If you guys were switched to the new new mode, it's going to show you guys a lot less signals, and it's going to show you guys a lot more accurate signals. So less false signals equal better trades, guys. That's exactly why we added EliteAlgo. But this is primarily going to be used for when you're trading with the regular Japanese candles instead of the Heikin Ashi. So if you guys are still using Heikin Ashi and you guys prefer that, we recommend just keeping it on normal. But if you guys want to start trading with the Japanese candlesticks, then I recommend moving on to the new strategy mode that we've just added into EliteAlgo, guys. Moving on from that, we've added a couple more features. Going back to Heikin Ashi mode, just to guys show you. So another thing we just added, guys, is the consolidation signal filter. So down here in this area right here, we see this checkbox right here. So what happens is once you click this, it's going to try to void out every single signal that you get when the market is consolidating. So if you check this on, you're going to see also in this area right here, it's going to give you less signals because we can tell that in this area, the price was in a range and we do not want to trade when it's in a range. So with that checked on, as you guys can see, a lot of these false signals again went away, and now we're left with a lot less false signals, and that gives us a better probability to make even better trades and have a higher win rate, guys, which is super important when it comes to trading. All right, guys, moving on to the next feature that we've added. It is the enable trailing stop loss and trailing stop loss percentage feature. So basically what this means, guys, is that you now have the ability to see how tight of a trailing stop loss you want to have when you're trading. So for example, right now we have the trailing stop loss set to 0.5. If we were to switch this to 1, right, as you guys can see, these trailing stop losses will now get a lot wider, meaning that would be a lot harder to hit. So check this out. As you can see right there, the trailing stop loss got wider. Now, if you guys want to just reduce that, all you got to do is use a smaller number like 0.2 or 0.5, and you'll have a much tighter trailing stop loss. So you guys can use that in your trades to know exactly when to get out if you guys are using a trailing stop loss in your strategy. All right, guys, moving on to the next feature. This is something that we've had in the past on previous versions of EliteAlgo, but we removed, and due to popular demand, you guys asked for it, we added it back into the algo, guys. So going back down over here, we see underneath where it says support and resistance, which is something you guys are very familiar with, is the new consolidation zones. Now, what this does is once you check this on right here, it's going to start showing you areas of consolidation on your chart, as you guys can see right here and right here. You guys can kind of use these zones to know when the chart is consolidating and when you should enter your trade. So for example, right here, let's just say theoretically, we are looking to take this smart sell signal, but we see that we are in an area of consolidation, right? For us to take a better signal, what we would do is we just wait for the candles to break this consolidation and then enter the trade. And you guys can see that the price started going back down after it broke the area of consolidation, guys. This is very important. We tell you guys all the time, do not trade when it's ranging or consolidating. That will affect your win rate. And this is another way that you guys can use to kind of help win trades when you see an area of consolidation. As for the settings for the consolidation zones, over here where it says loopback period and minimum consolidation length, the higher you increase these numbers, the further back the algo will look for areas of consolidation. So having a higher number means a bigger area of consolidation that's going to try and look for. So that's pretty much how you use that. You guys can incorporate that into your strategy as you wish. Next up, guys, the second last feature we added to Elite Algo is in the order block settings. A bunch of you guys were kind of saying that the order blocks make your chart have too much things on it and you want to simplify your chart a bit. So what we did is we added the ability to remove the gray boxes that you see when you have order blocks turned on, right? So you only have the green and red boxes for supply and demand. So if we just turn on this right here where it says high grade boxes, then press OK, what's going to happen is that it's going to remove all the gray boxes from your chart and giving you a cleaner looking chart that's going to be way easier to read, guys. It's pretty simple, but a lot of you guys were asking for it, so we added it. And the last feature, guys, I want to talk about that we've updated into Elite Algo is the trend cloud alerts. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking for this. You guys wanted an alert that tells you when the trend cloud went from green to red or red to green. Well, we added that in this new version of Elite Algo. To do it, it's very simple. First, what you want to do is you want to activate the trend clouds on your chart, either the long term or the short term. Up to you, it's preference. And then what you want to do is simply just right click one of the signals, hit add alert. Then you want to go down over here where it says condition and go scroll all the way down to where you see trend clouds bearish alert and trend cloud bullish alert. So clicking the bearish alert basically will tell you whenever the trend cloud turns red, and clicking the bullish alert will tell you whenever the trend cloud turns green. So you guys can set those alerts now so you guys can know exactly when the trend cloud reverses, guys. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the update to Elite Algo. We'll be making more videos later on showing you more strategies you guys can use with the new version. And I'm going to be doing a live trading video now that I'm done working with this new update. So if you guys like this video and you guys want to see other videos in the future, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you guys can know exactly every single time we post a new video. And like this video, guys, it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have yourself a good day.